Hello, I'm Elizabeth, and this is your planning mentor. Today I have the unboxing of the Simple PaperJune kit. Look how pretty. First we have our cardboard card. You can use this for a dashboard. You could punch it and put it in your planner. Just if you have a perfect bound book, you could just put it in between the pages. But look at this beautiful foxglove. I just planted some foxglove in my garden. Got some sweet peas, some pansies. Next we have our date dots, and it's this pale green and a mauvey pink. Our calendar page with our monthly header, flowers and vases. Then we have some miscellaneous stickers here. Got a water lily, looks like a bagel with salmon or lox and cream cheese, dragonfly, ice cream, turtle, pigeon, I love New York, Central Park birds, how neat, New York Times, a cab, and a ticket for a rowboat ride in Central Park. Here's our Metro card again, New York Times with a pretzel and a drink, Park Day, some washi, some more washi, and look at this, you've got your rowboat, your ticket, and the little turtle here on the lily pad. How fun. Here's our torn washi, and I'm guessing that these are maps of New York. Very neat. Here are our postage stamp type stickers, scenes from New York and Central Park, some swans. How fun. Here are Polaroids, some other florals with layers, pigeons, got Park Cafe with the letters and the hot dog stand. There's our film strip with some taxis, some florals, the fountain in Central Park, bridge, lily pads, and a scene of buildings from New York. Here's an ice cream stand, some treats. We have some treats, another rowboat, the iconic coffee cup, we are happy to serve you, butterfly picnic, picnic basket, hot dog, a ginkgo leaf. Fifth Avenue, swans on the lake, a bench, a squirrel, turtles. It's a really cute kit. There are florals, some blackberries, strawberries. Very pretty. Here are stamps, cancellations. This is neat with the balconies, or fire escapes, I guess they are. Neat. We've got our days of the week with the pinkish swatch through them. Simple paper, our florals. ranunculus, hydrangeas. Very pretty. And then the single blossoms. Single blossoms, floral clusters, days of the week, stamps, cancellations, florals, scenes from the park, more scenes from the park, the swatches and the film strip, Polaroids, stamps, washis and florals, single stickers, calendar, calendar numbers, and our June dashboard. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate any time you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.